Most of you have probably already used AI to take notes, make videos, or write code. And you've probably heard how industries are quickly embracing AI to make everything faster, cheaper, and more productive. So maybe, as you sit here today with degrees in nursing or education, you're asking yourself, does it even matter? Have I worked so hard for this degree only for AI to make it less valuable? In a year, or 3 or 5, will AI take my job? Well, I'm here to tell you, as the CEO of a technology company, as someone who uses industrial and generative AI, and who encourages others to do so, the answer is no. Technology doesn't replace humans. It expands what's humanly possible. And so I'm here to share that your most important job going forward might surprise you. Be human. What makes humans special? We care. In fact, one of our mantras at Siemens is, we take care of each other. We say this because while technology can empower us, empathy is not programmable. The ability to care, to connect with others, is uniquely human. Being human is having the ability to change and grow, or to fail. I'm sure many of you have faced some setbacks on the way to graduation day, but you adapted and persevered to achieve this goal, and you're a better human because of it. Here are 2 more traits that make us special. 2 human traits every employer looks for: curiosity and initiative. After all, AI waits for your prompts. It can help you iron out details, model and predict outcomes, even prototype new machines. But it's humans who ask that fundamental question, what if? It's the human who acts, who has purpose, values, and a passion for solving problems. These uniquely human traits are not only irreplaceable, in our tech-driven world, they're becoming increasingly valuable. Always remember, you are enough. I was told repeatedly during my career that I wasn't executive material. I was too nice, too optimistic. I smiled too much. That was a terrible thing to hear, and worse, I believed it. It made me feel stuck. Not only that my leadership style was wrong, but there was nothing I could do about it. And then, after years of this, something happened. The concept of who could be a leader and what it meant to lead changed. Empathy mattered. Authenticity mattered. Suddenly, it was valuable to be the person I was. So don't just bring your humanity to work. Pursue it. Cherish the traits that make you who you are, instead of fighting to fit into a mold that just isn't you. You are enough.